All right, so today guys I wanted to go over this boat that I picked up the other day with you. It's a Crestliner boat. I'm not sure of the exact age. If you guys know the exact age, please comment in the comment box, let me know. It's supposed to be, according to the ad, it's supposed to be a 1980 or a 1979 14-foot Crestliner with a closed bow, as you can see. Very cool. It's got the windshield. I don't think it's that new, actually. I think that this thing is more like a 59 or even a 69, 59, 69. I've been looking at them on YouTube, and these 1959 Crestliners came with a 15 horsepower Johnson. They look identical to this, unless the model didn't change. I'm thinking this guy's like a 59. The 69 is pretty much identical as well. I couldn't see too much difference. Anyway, this boat is complete. There's no dents in it. There's no significant damage anywhere. Everything's functional. The motor is supposed to work. The guy I got it from had re-greased the axles, taken the wheels off, re-greased the axle. He had taken this whole unit off here. You'll have to excuse me, I don't know anything about boats. So that's all I can tell you, that this thing was taken off and re-greased. The propeller was re-greased, I guess. The engine was gone through, and it supposedly runs really, really well. Now, I haven't fired it up yet, hence the video. I'm filling this cooler up with water so that we can get the engine submerged. I'm not sure how deep it's supposed to go in there, but I'm thinking that if I just cover all the major stuff up here with water, it'll probably be deep enough. So anyway, then we're gonna fire her up. First time. Anyway, I got this boat for a super good deal, really well priced. I couldn't find any other boats of this quality at that price, so I went ahead and got this one. Since then, though, I've seen quite a few good deals. I'm not gonna lie. They're out there, guys. These boats are out there. To some people, they're worthless, but to me, this will get me out on the water. This will be catching northern pike minnow with me this year. I'm gonna go bounty hunting for northern pikes. So this is what I need to get through this first season at least. Anyway, you guys are gonna see the startup. Looks like we're getting pretty full there. I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it to the point where it's overflowing and just keep the hose in there. Drinking a Red Bull, good old Red Bull. All right, get this engine cover popped off here. See what she looks like. Beautiful. I believe this just sets down right there. Now, once again, I am not sure what any of these things do, so bear with me. Anyway, the engine looks pretty darn clean. Got a little glass bulb under there. Got some cobwebs in there. Yeah. First, I guess I got to hook up the gas can, which I've never done before. So this was supposed to be winterized, this boat motor. Let's see. Yeah, get a good angle. It sounds like that water's spilling over nicely. did run me through real quickly on how this goes together, but like I said, I've never done it. That's what that is. Alright. Gas is on. Now there was a primer bulb here somewhere, I thought. That's what this is. That's right. And what do you know? The little carburetor's filling up with gas. The little bowl is filling up with gas on that. Let's see here. He said to go ahead and choke this guy, to leave these other things set to kind of where they're at, and that I only needed to play with the choke. Now let's find out. Let's find out if she runs. He said the first time he did this, took him quite a few pulls to get her going. So we're gonna go ahead and just, I take this guy's word for it. I normally I wouldn't do that, but the guy just seemed real trustworthy. Seemed like he really wanted me to have a good boat. So let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna hurt myself there. Is there an on or off? I wonder. I don't think there is. Of course, I don't know. Whoa! Oh man, we fell off of our perch. Dang, it's, I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa, it fired. It did, it fired. It fired, guys. Whew. That's siren. Turn up the gas a little bit. Woo-wee! Alright, do we want it to run rich or lean? Let's go with lean. We'll set on 5. And looks like we're choked enough. So let's pull this. Choke just a little bit. Ouch. Okay, let's try rich and rich. Let's see. Go rich and rich. Choke. No. So let's try half and half. Whew. Alright, that's not working. Let's put the throttle down. Pump this bitch. This bilge pump. There it is, there we go.